Hello all. So Graphicera is very proud to present its own G20 symposium on digital agriculture that will be held on August 28 and August 29. Most of you would have already received the information related to it in your official WhatsApp groups. Even if you have not received it, I feel like you have a lot of doubts and I'm here to clear all of your doubts. So this is a symposium where the motive is to present a poster which you're going to make. But the necessary guidelines, all of them are shared on your email. So this is how you're going to start. You will open one form that is already shared to you and you're going to submit your abstract. Preferable is there should be one person who is submitting one abstract. The abstract will be of near about 200 to 210 words, 250 words maximum. And there are 5 tracks. So one is IoT, one is big data analytics, one is smart farm management, one is robotics, and there is one more of precision agriculture. You can pick up any track, you can go to Google Scholar and just read about it everywhere and sincerely think. I mean, you must be knowing that agriculture is a primary occupation in our country, right? Think about your own family and think about your food practices and think how CS can actually help it, because the theme is digital agriculture. So you need agriculture and you need digital part, the computational wala part, advanced technologies wala part, deep tech wala part. So you can integrate Internet of Technologies, Internet of Things, you can integrate artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, big data, whatever you want, provided it is more or less synced with the theme agriculture. Now once you submit that abstract, you will get a acceptance mail after 2 hours or after 3 hours. So every 2 hours we are sending the acceptance emails. Once you get the acceptance email, you will get a paper ID, right? Using that paper ID, you are going to register through another form which will be provided in the email. And the payment of 100 rupees, you are supposed to pay in the university's official account, and that screenshot will be attached in the registration form. The moment you register, you will get another email that will basically tell you about the instructions for participation, that if you are participating, what all you are supposed to do. So I'll just tell you briefly what you're supposed to do. One is to submit the abstract, another is to pay 100 rupees fees, and the third is to actually show up on the day of the event, that is Monday, 28th of August. You're supposed to wear ethnic wear, you're not supposed to come in college uniforms. So please note that point. You have to wear ethnic dresses because it is a G20 event and we are representing our country. So we might as well represent our culture, right? In the morning, you will be reporting around 8:30 at the Professor KP Nautiyal Auditorium. This is also for those students who are not registering, जिनका registration नहीं हुआ है, but they have submitted the abstract. They can come on spot and do their registrations. Once the registration is done, 8 to 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock we will start our ceremony. We will do our inaugural for 30 minutes, followed by back-to-back sessions. So we have 3 to 4 sessions on day 1, 9 to 1, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. on 28th of August, Monday. That is at Professor KP Nautiyal Auditorium. Once we break for lunch from there, then all of us are going to come here to CSIT Auditorium, where we have already placed different boards. On those boards, you are going to present your poster. So you have to make a creative. You can use Canva or any other illustration tool, and you can collect data from different papers. So there might be graphs somewhere, there might be tables somewhere. You can collect all of that data that is related to your topic, right? And make a poster, take a printout of that and paste it on the boards that are there in the CSIT Auditorium. So on Monday, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m., you will have your poster presentation or poster evaluation, where a group of panelists or a group of evaluators will come and they will talk to you about your idea. Now the key benefit comes here, जिससे आप बहुत ज़्यादा scared हो कि हाँ हमको present करना पड़ेगा. I would say that this is the greatest opportunity for you, because you are learning how to present, you are learning how to answer questions, you are learning to be confident while presenting something that you have read, that you have knowledge about. So it should not make you panic, and even if it is making you panic, it is a good sign, because you are learning to grow out of it ना. Otherwise directly placement में जाके interview में बोलोगे तो फिर the Titanic is going to sink. So this is your opportunity to actually work on your communication skills. So Monday 2 to 4 you have poster presentation. Now Tuesday again in seminar hall we are going to do back-to-back lectures from esteemed guests. You will get all of that itinerary, and all the sessions are good, properly timed. That will start in seminar hall CSIT block from 9 to 1 again. And on Tuesday 2 to 4 we are going to have valedictory ceremony, in which we are going to present 5 best researcher awards. So there is 1 award per track, and those students, there will be 3 students per track who will be selected on Monday, और वो 3 बच्चे Tuesday को oral presentation देंगे, after which they will be awarded the best researcher award. So it is a very great opportunity. You might as well win the best researcher award and thank me later. So we are really hoping that all of you will register. We are actively working on it, and I will just show you a glimpse also of all the kids who are working for you on a Saturday and a Sunday. The benefits that you're getting out of this is that the G20 tag is very big. It's an international thing, right? The benefits that you're getting is that your abstracts will be published under an ISBN number, which is very great. So in future, when you Google the title of your abstract, you will find that your name is written on it, right? Another thing, you can put this as an achievement in your resume, which is really great because your resumes must not be having, that level of achievements. So you can genuinely have your resume additions, your LinkedIn profile additions, and so much more. And I'm telling you, you'll have a brilliant experience. So please do join us. Thank you.